Hello friends. Now let us take up the concept number 21, 4.21, expressions and statements. In programming terminology, we use the two terms expressions and statements very frequently. We must know the clear distinction between the two terms. An expression is the combination of values, variables, operators or function calls or some of them. The combination of values means you can understand as literal, variables means names, thereafter operators or function calls or some of them. Even a single value is also treated as an expression. When we write an expression at command line, interpreter immediately evaluates that and print the result. Now you see, this is the command line. I am writing an expression. According to the definition, how will be an expression? An expression is a combination of values or variables or function calls or operators. So, here literals values we have written 4 values 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 3 operators we have written. So, it is an expression. If you write at command line interactively, it is interpreted and the result are immediately printed as 10. This is the expression. And what about statement? Statement is an instruction and that instruction should be interpreted by the Python interpreter and then machine code is created and the code is passed to the processor and the processor should implement that. When a statement is executed, the results are stored. Those are not displayed like an expression is evaluated. That point you have to understand. And here I have given a small program, just see 4.12. Here first I have written title and initialized with the Python all clear. That is a statement. You must understand it is not an expression, it is a statement. And thereafter one print statement I have written. In the print statement I have written an expression. Then what happened? What is that? 5 plus 3 minus 2 into 6 by 4 modulus 2. As a result of that, that is evaluated and a single value is created. As the value is produced within the print statement, then print. What is the purpose of print statement? It prints the result. Then the result is 7.0. Okay. So, that is the print statement. Thereafter, in the print statement, I have called a function call. Actually, length is a built-in function, and for this, any string if you give, it counts the number of characters and print. Now, I have given title. Actually, you have seen that in the first, I initialized the title. I created the title and I initialize with the Python all clear. So, this is a statement which actually this alone an expression, and where we are writing this, we are writing in the print statement. So, print statement, what is the purpose of print? It prints the content. So, as a result of that 15 is printed. That is the difference between an expression and statement. You must know that and you must be well aware of that. There should not be any confusion and you should not, many people use them interchangeably, but that is not good. Expression is different and statement may be difference. Now, after this we know the types of statements.